What are the domain and range of g of x equals negative 1/4 times x minus 17 squared plus 61? We remember that domain represents the x values and range represents the y values. Or another way to say range instead of y might be g of x, which is what they're going to use in this problem. So if we see any answer choices that have a domain that says g of x, or a range that says x, we know those are automatically incorrect. Take your eyes to answer choice J. We see here a range that involves x and a domain that involves g of x. That has them mixed up and therefore cannot be the correct answer. Everything else looks good except for letter H. You'll notice that in letter H, we also have a range that says X in it, and so therefore that cannot be correct either. It's down to F and G. We see that in F, we have a domain of all real numbers, and in the G, we have a domain of X less than or equal to 17. The range is the same for both of these answer choices. If you want to type the function into Desmos, you can certainly do that in order to be able to look at the picture. One thing that Desmos is not going to be able to show you necessarily is that this function has arrows at the end of it. And that means that it extends all the way down, but it also extends all the way to the left and to the right on the x-axis. Therefore, the domain of this quadratic function is all real numbers, and that means that the answer is letter F.